show line. Did you see the little wing flash there? With the winds up at altitude, it's actually pushing him towards the crowd. And in order to remain legal and remain safe, he wants to make sure he maintains that line all the way through his routine. Turn on a dime again for the Hammerhead turnaround. Our buddy John Melby coming to us from Chandler, Arizona. In this, one of only 3 Pitts S111Bs on the air show circuit today. Let's give it up for Kirby Chambliss. Flying the Zipco Edge 540 in all 3 dimensions, working the ailerons, the elevator, and the rudder in unison, as his hands and feet stay very busy to throw this airplane across the sky and think no different. As a kid, Kirby was fascinated by flight. He started to learn to fly when he was just 13 years old by saving up money working at the local airport. He put his way to solo at age 16, and by 24 was the youngest commercial pilot at Southwest Airlines. Captain by 28 and has since accumulated more than 27,000 hours of flight time. He is considered to be one of the finest aerobatic pilots on the face of the planet today. A guy who's got 13 medals in world competition. He's an outstanding flyer. Let's put our hands together for Kirby Chambliss. And we're just getting started. This Edge 540, constructed mostly of carbon fiber and lightweight materials, weighs in at just shy of 1,200 pounds. Kirby has over 350 horsepower at his command, courtesy of that Lycoming AEIO 540 engine and MT propeller. And if you do the math, that's a thrust-to-weight ratio of nearly 1-to-1. We watch him now to the left end of the aerobatic box as he picks up our show line once again. Watch for the snap rolls. There's 1 and 2, back upright flight, an opposite roll, and as he now levels off just 300 feet above the ground. We're going to watch him to the inverted watch as he goes through this maneuver, the outside tumble, as he now catch it up on the top end. Another quick high speed snap roll. Ladies and gentlemen, Tucson, how do you like Kirby Chambliss so far? Kirby is trained continuously to perfect his aerobatic flying skills and precision airmanship, where he's been able to display at various air shows and air races across the world. He's a former member of the U.S. National Aerobatic Team, and as I mentioned to you, has accumulated more than 13 medals in world competitions. When Kirby's not out flying, he enjoys jumping out of perfectly good airplanes, working on his skydiving skills. Why jump out of a perfectly good airplane, you might ask? Well, Kirby says it's because he has a perfectly good parachute. There are very few in the world who fly with the same level of passion, precision, and excellence that is the one and only Kirby Chambliss. Showcasing to us that Red Bull doesn't give you wings. He ready? Good. Here we go. 1, 2. 4.
20 what?
Don't do nothing dumb, man. Well, that's the privilege, right, Kelly? I'm coming in. I'm going to do what I call the foot toss. One of my most favorite maneuvers, all right? 70 and then come on the tail over the nose at the top. Is that dangerous? Always, man. I gotta see. You're hurting my neck. I have to look backwards.
Whoa!
What are we gonna do now? Really feeling, he's doing Arby's curling French fries too. Yeah, I don't like that. We're doing some other one. Man, that sounds good right now. No, that's life transfer. Off we go.